Hi there! Before we start this video, please subscribe at A.B.C Learning Academy. Don't forget to click that notification bell below, like and share this video.
Our lesson for today is about declarative and interrogative sentences. What are these? Declarative sentence is also called as a statement or telling sentence. It is a sentence that tells you something. It has a complete sense or thought. It begins in a capital letter and ends with full stop or period, just like this sign. Here are the examples. My dad is a teacher. In this sentence, it has a complete thought or sense. The first letter of the first word my is written in capital letter and ends with a full stop or a period. Another example, it is a beautiful fountain. Does the sentence make sense to you? Yes. The first letter of the first word begins in a capital letter, that is letter I, and it ends with a full stop or period. Here's another example of a declarative sentence. This is my family. It has a complete thought or complete sense. The first letter of the first word, this, is in capital letter and it ends in a full stop. Now let's go to interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is also called as question or asking sentence. It begins in a capital letter and ends with a question mark. This is the sign. Interrogative sentence usually starts with WH questions such as who, what, why, where, and how. Here are the examples of WH questions. Who is your teacher? We use the WH question who, and it is in the beginning of the sentence. That's why we capitalize the letter W, and there is a question mark at the end of this sentence. Thus, this is an interrogative sentence. What is your surname? The WH question here is the word what. The first letter of what is in capital letter. And as you can see, at the end of this sentence, there is a question mark. Next, where are you going? The WH question here is the word where. And we need to write the letter W of where in capital letter because it is in the beginning of the sentence. At the end also, you can find the question mark. Other examples. When is your birthday? Why is the earth round? How did the dinosaurs die? Now it's your turn. You're going to tell me if we're going to put period or question mark at the end of these sentences. Why is the sun big? Are you going to use period or question mark? Very good. The answer is question mark. This is an example of an interrogative sentence. She loves chocolates. Are we going to use period or are we going to use question mark? That's right. The answer is period. This is an example of a declarative sentence. Derek is going to school. Are we going to use period or question mark? The answer is period. This is an example of declarative sentence. Next, what is COVID-19? Period or question mark? What are you going to use? That's right. The answer is question mark. Very good. Did you eat your lunch? Is it period or question mark? The answer is a question mark. This is an example of an interrogative sentence, a question sentence.
Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe at ABC Learning Academy. Thank you!